Hi children, welcome you to my English lesson. I am here with an interesting lesson for you all. Now you are going to learn how to use word classes. My focus is on major word classes in English. Okay. English has 4 major word classes. They are nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs. Each of them has thousands of members and new nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs are often created. Now, let's move on to the word classes one by one. Okay, nouns. A naming word is a noun. There are different types of nouns. They are common nouns, proper nouns and collective nouns. You may have heard of these examples. The name which we give in general to all persons, animals, places or things of the same kind is a common noun. For example, boy, girl, animal, country, bird, village can be taken. A proper noun is a special name given to a particular person, animal, place or thing. For example, Frank, Anne, Harry Potter, Australia, Vennappua can be taken. So about collective nouns, the name of a group or collection of the same kind of persons, animals or things is called a collective noun. You may have heard of these collective nouns before. We have learned these in grade 8 and 9. So let's move on to verbs. Okay, verbs. A verb is a word or group of words that describes an action of some kind. In brief, a verb is a doing thing. There are some verbs which tell us how or what a person, thing or place is. Some such verbs are am, is, are, was and were. We call these type of verbs be verbs. Okay. The same verb may have different forms. Here the verb play shows different forms. Plays, play, playing, played. Most probably the form of a verb shows the time of the action it describes, the present or the past. Okay, let's move on to the next word class. So it is adjective. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. That means adjectives are the words that we use to modify nouns. We can describe a girl like Susan is a runner. This is grammatically correct. But if we can say Susan is a fast, efficient runner, it is more meaningful and it describes the talent of the girl more. The other examples are the same. So adjectives are used to qualify nouns. Then we'll move on to the last word class, adverbs. Adverbs are words that tell us more about verbs. That means we use adverbs to modify verbs. Okay, look at these sentences. The baby slept soundly. John did the sum easily. They arrived home safely. Here in the first sentence, the word soundly tells you how the baby slept. Okay, now look at the second example. In the second sentence, the word easily tells you how John did the sum. Okay. In the third sentence, the word safely tells you how they arrived home. The word thus tells you more about the word arrived. Okay. The words soundly, easily and safely are adverbs. Now look at these sentences, children. The students listened carefully to what he said. He showed his report card proudly to his parents. She behaved badly. He writes well. We pulled hard at the rope. You will notice that most adverbs end in ly. Look at these words, ly, end in ly. However, in the last two sentences, the adverb well tells you more about the verb writes but does not end in ly, and the adverb hard tells you more about the verb pulled but does not end in ly. That means there are some adverbs those do not end in ly. Okay, now you have a thorough idea on word classes, nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs. Now please try completing this activity on your own. Okay, you have to go through these words and put those words in the relevant cages. Okay, goodbye children. Have a good day.